to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Your girl is back with a new video. I'm using some new products, kind of new, kind of not new, been around for a minute, but I've been using it like almost every time I do my makeup. And today I'm showing you guys my go-to corally peachy smoky matte eye that you guys highly requested on my Instagram. So if you guys don't follow me on my Instagram, make sure you check the description box down below so you guys can follow your girl on Instagram, on Snapchat. I deleted my Twitter. Well, I deleted the Twitter app, but I'm still on Twitter. I'll probably download Twitter right after this video. So make sure you guys follow me on my social media so you guys can be on to see what I'm doing basically. So first I'm going to go in with my P. Louis base. And you guys, I love this eyeshadow base, and it's in the shade 4. And I'm just going to put this all over my eyelid, a good amount. You don't need a lot. Like, this should be enough for both eyes. And now to blend all that out, I'm going to use my Morphe E8 brush, and then to apply this, I use the Sigma Concealer F70 brush. And I'm just going to use this to smooth everything out. So for the palette, I'm going to use the TooFaced Just Peachy Matte palette. And you guys, I love this palette so freaking much. I bought this palette when they was having the weekly wow at Sephora for like 25 bucks. And of course, your girl had to get it because I've been wanting this palette forever. And y'all, I love this palette so much. And these are the shades. Fresh Pick. Next, I'm going to take the shade Peach Cobbler. Now I'm going to take the shade Peach Punch, which is this shade, and it's kind of like a peach and a coral. Now we're going to go in with a mascara, and I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs mascara. You guys, I love this mascara so much. It makes my lashes look hella long. And this is the Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara, and y'all, favorite mascara ever. The lashes I will be using are the More Lashes by Tiffany, and this is in the style Whiplash. And you guys, I love these lashes so freaking much. They have the right amount of length, volume, and flutter. Okay, so since that is done, I'm going to use my TooFaced Prime and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. You guys, I love this stuff a lot. It really does help me not get as oily, because I really don't like mattifying things. Okay, I really don't like mattifying foundations because I'm always looking for a way to make it like good for my combination skin. I get oily forehead, nose, and I'm like regular everywhere else. So this really does balance my skin. Now I'm going in with my TooFaced Born This Way foundation. You guys, I love this freaking foundation. Like, you guys, I wasn't going to try this foundation, and this is in the shade Spice Rum. It is a little too dark. Like, it oxidizes a little too dark, but I don't mind because they're all looks good at the end. But you guys, I really love this foundation. Get your hands on it. It's more it's not dewy, but it's not matte, so I'm gonna say it's like a demi matte kind of, because it's not like really dewy. But I also use a mattifying primer, so you know. But I love this foundation, you guys. I use Sculpting concealer, and you guys, I love this freaking concealer. I'm in the shade Butterscotch, and you guys, I love this concealer so much. It has good coverage, it has a good color range, it has longevity, doesn't crease under my eyelids, well, under eye. I mean, everybody has creases, but it doesn't like separate if you blend well. I learned that. It kind of reminds me of the Tape Shape, but it's like Tape Shape. Is it Tape Shape or Shape Tape? Shape Tape. It reminds me of the Shape Tape. That sounds better. Y'all been saying Tape Shape for the longest. But it reminds me of the Shape Tape, but 10 times better. And the bottle is nice. Like, look at this bottle. When I first saw this bottle, I thought it was a freaking foundation. When I say a little of this stuff goes a long way, a little of this stuff goes a long way. And no, I'm not sponsored by TooFaced. I just been liking their products lately. Like, I see the hype, the foundation. I love the foundation. I love the concealer, and I definitely love the primer. So I would say A+ for everything. The only thing about the foundation, if you have like smile lines, it will crease in them. So that's the only thing. But yeah. I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Okay, so I did have the TooFaced setting powder in the shade medium. That powder is gorgeous. Like, that powder is gorgeous. The only thing is that it was too dark and it was making my foundation darker. So that's the only reason why I had to give it to my cousin, because the powder was making me look darker. And I was like, oh no, baby. And it wasn't a cute kind of dark either. It was like a gray kind of dark, you know. But I finessed it or whatever. But I was like, I'm just gonna keep using my Sacha Buttercup because she does no wrong. And yeah, but the TooFaced is, that was a good powder. I just wish they would make a in between the translucent and the medium, because that powder was so pretty. Now I'm going to use my Anastasia Mahogany Powder Bronzer in the shade Mahogany. And I'm just going to use my MAC 168, I guess that's what it's called, brush. Take a brush. I'm gonna take the Morphe M5 18 and I'm just do my nose. For my blush, I'm gonna use the Juvias Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette, and I'm just gonna mix this orange and this like bricky color, and I'm just gonna go in with the same brush if I can find it, my Morphe brush. And I'm gonna do the brick red first and then the orange. For my highlight, I'm going to use the Nars Orgasm highlighter. And you guys, I've been loving this highlighter a lot. It's so freaking pretty. Morphe M501 brush. I love using this one for like loose highlighters and like my Anastasia for pressed. And I'm going to put this also under my brow bone. I'm just going to use all the shades I used in my crease in my lid on my under eye. Next, I'm going to take my Sephora Matte Waterproof Colorful Shadow Liner. I'm going to put this in my waterline. And I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs on my bottom lashes. Okay, so since the face is done, we're going to go ahead with our lips. So I'm going to take the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Cold Brew. Then I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Gloss and Kristen. And this is pretty like nudie pink. So this is the finished look. This is my go-to easy, cute, bad look. So I do have a giveaway because, you know, I was supposed to be doing a giveaway and I've been slacking this summer. So your girl got y'all. So I'm gonna give you guys 2 Eyeshadow Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner. And then you get a Making Eyes Line Define and Blend set. It's a 3-in-1 brush set. You guys get a CoverGirl Healthy Powder. And this is in the shade Buff Beige. You get another powder, and this is one in the shade Medium Beige. And then you get another powder, and this in the shade Warm Beige. So if you're a freelancer, you can use those. Oh, and one more. And I have a shade Classic Ivory. So these will be good if you freelance, or you can just give away to a friend. You also get a CoverGirl True Blend Base Business Skin Primer, and this is a color neutralizer. So, yep. You're going to get some concealers. CoverGirl concealers. You're going to get a Sigma Beauty Makeup Brush Cleaner pad. And this is pretty blue. You're going to get a Sephora Avocado Sleeping Mask. You guys, I love their sleeping masks. They're really, really good, especially if you don't want to do a mask at night. You can just sleep in one. You're also getting these liquid lipsticks from CoverGirl. So you're going to get this coral one, this dark purple one, this pretty nude color, this black, and this gorgeous burgundy. So you'll be getting all of these. Also, you'll be getting some CoverGirl brow products, and these are pomades. So you're getting 3 of those. So you're going to get another primer from CoverGirl, and this is the skin smoothing one. And you're going to get 2 CoverGirl brow pencils in the shade Honey Brown. And it's like this kind of dark brown kind of. And then you're going to get a Sephora little packet with like real goodies inside. So yeah, a whole bunch of goodies inside, and like travel items and junk. So yeah, you get a whole bunch of goodies like skincare, makeup, and all that. So you get all of those in the giveaway. So these are the rules, you guys. So number 1, you have to be subscribed to my channel. Number 2, United States only. Number 3, comment down below. Okay, so I'm gonna do a mukbang. Is it called a mukbang? Mukbang, whatever it's called, where you're eating and just talking, or eating and asking questions. So I want to do a mukbang. So thought it would be a good idea. Just comment down below questions you guys want to ask me. It can be about YouTube, it can be about personal life, it can be about relationships, it can be about women, it can be about men, it can be about anything. Just ask me some questions down below, and I will pick a random winner. So those are the rules. Number 1, you have to be subscribed. Number 2, United States only. And number 3, ask me questions down below to enter. So that's how you're going to enter the giveaway. I love you guys so much, and I'm back, you guys. And I'll be doing, also in the mukbang, I'll tell you guys where I've been. But y'all probably would ask that question like, Kayla, where have you been? So just make sure you guys answer some questions, some good questions, y'all. Give me some like juicy questions, like to make me think, or like be like, whoa, these people are nosy. You know, like ask me some juicy questions, some good questions. Questions you guys want to know. Also in the description box, I'll make sure to have how do you enter the giveaway in the description box for you guys. And yeah, so whoever wins, I hope you enjoy the goodies. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.